So today we're going to do how many Rubik's Cubes can I solve? Well, he solves a 15 puzzle, and if you don't know what it is, it's basically where you're trying to get these like little tiles like in order, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, and then hopefully you know what a Rubik's Cube is. So inspection time, go.
Yes, this looks satisfactory to me. Yes.
Okay. I'm ready. Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1,
Go.
Easy!
And 2 by 2. I solved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cubes. 1 5 has a 4 by 4 cube, a pyramid, a 2 by 2, and 4 3 by 3.
And I got hung up on this stupid problem.
Ooh. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and yeah, peace out.